Away from that, let's do some news about Team Legal Wives versus Team Side Chicks. And you mean I make Kojo?
I'm not even making reference to you, but like hard drink.
Hey, my printed T-shirts they are doing now, banners and things. I mean, we all know the chaos that has erupted ever since legendary high life musician Charles Kojo, aka Daddy Lumba, unfortunately passed on. It's been one legal battle after the other. Even recently, I saw that some people were demanding his body for an appropriate funeral. Now, in a recent development, his, should I say, estranged wife or his German wife, let me say it like that, Akosua Serwaa, yes.
Or his legal wife. They say Team Legal, yeah.
I know they mean
It's a name. It's not like legal, but it's a name that they've given her. So okay, his legal wife, you can say
Akosua. So Akosua Serwaa has filed a lawsuit. Now this lawsuit is in conjunction with the late Daddy Lumba's sister, that is Ernestina Fosu, and also Daddy Lumba's daughter, Charlene Fosu. They have jointly applied to the Kumasi High Court for letters of administration to manage and distribute his properties. They are demanding 50% of everything that Daddy Lumba owned while he was alive. Now, of course, Serwaa Broni would also not sit down. Her lawyers have also filed to counter the lawsuit. But an interesting thing is that a list has emerged of all the things that they are fighting over. So it says half of house at Dome Accra, valued at about 500,000 Ghana cedis. So in all, it's 19 properties. We have cars, we have houses in different locations, we have plots of land. Like she's asking, she's not even saying she's taking the full thing. She says she wants house.
So the value there, is it the half value or the full value? I'm thinking it's a half value.
I'm thinking it's a half value, yes. So it all amounts to 5.43 million Ghana cedis.
It's in court, right?
Yes, it's in court. The matter is in court. Or the court. But anyway,
you feel like it's not necessary?
Yeah,
no, but I keep.
Of course, it's her right.
If the property is due her, she has to fight for it.
Yes,
they're not going to give it to her. You know, like because of all that is happening.
Kojo, I understand what you're saying, but one question that I can't help asking myself is the fact that where was she? Like, didn't she know about the existence of Odo Broni? Didn't she know all these things when the man was alive?
Yeah, but
why didn't she come and fight for her rightful place as a wife?
That fight, they've had it. That's the one that went to court first, and the court ruled on it that both of them can do wives.
Yes.
You know.
Yes.
Now it's come to because she doesn't have favor. I'm thinking she doesn't have favor with the family, and I don't know if Mr. Lumba left a will. What's funny?
the way he said it, Mr. Lumba.
Okay, you want me to say Daddy Lumba? Okay, so I don't know if Daddy Lumba left a will behind. I'm thinking because this thing is in court, he probably didn't leave a will behind. I don't know. You understand? Because if he did, then they would want to respect.
Well, you can't actually contest the will, so maybe he did, but she's not satisfied with the conditions.
Yeah, but I'm sure it would have been stated.
Okay.
That they are contesting the will.
Yeah,
you understand? As it is, it's not been said they are contesting the will. So I'm assuming
that there was no will.
There was no will, and I'm saying she doesn't have favor with the family, for instance. So if the family have to administer the estate of Daddy Lumba, she's not going to find favor there. Yeah. You know, so
some single room there.
You know, so for me, the issue of the legal wife and side chick and whatever, it's been resolved.
It's been resolved. Okay.
Now it's come to the properties, and she has to receive what is due her. If it is the 50%, why not? And that's why she's in court. And I like when people take issues to court.
Of course. Because
it becomes legal and it becomes binding.
Yeah.
And if the court finds out that, oh, no, you are not due 50%, maybe you are due 30% or 40%, then that's settled. If also she's due 50%, then that's settled as well. And then now, no family whoever can come and say, no, we won't give it to you. So for me, I'm okay with the process. I don't think that she's done anything untoward, especially with the property. The wife's bit, I was challenged that, you know, she came and was saying that she was the
only
legitimate, the only legitimate wife.
Yeah,
that I didn't agree with, but for the property, it's fine. And it's in court. It's not like she's fighting, it's in court. So let the court decide and then we'll move on from there.
And to my final story, we have something trending from Black Sheriff once again. So Black Sheriff has won the court case against his former management or his former manager, that is Chavez Wayne. So he sent him to court. When Blacko announced his deal with Empire, people said he had not parted ways officially with his former management, and then he had gone to sign a new deal. So his manager took him to court. But then today, the court has ruled that all the things that his former manager was alleging, there's really not enough proof about the the claims that he brought against him. There's really not enough proof, and so they are saying that you have not. I mean, the only part that Blacko is at fault is the fact that he had an agreement with you, and then he went to sign with another record label, and then for that the court has fined him 50,000 cedis. But then for everything else that they were talking about, they said they did some works on behalf of Black Sheriff. They did some repair works in the house and whatnot. The court says there's really not enough proof about that, and so more or less case no about to.
But I don't know, but I think the headline is a bit misleading to say, and it probably is a PR
gimmick,
thing, from the Blacko camp, because essentially the person took Blacko to court seeking certain reliefs. Some of it were kicked out.
Well, majority of the reliefs were kicked out.
It doesn't matter. I took you to court to get 1 million, and the court gave me 100,000. I still got something. I didn't lose. I got something. You lost. So that's what I'm saying. Maybe you say he's won. He's not won. He took him to court, and he's even been made to cover his legal costs as well.
That's
the winner doesn't cover the legal costs. He's a loser.
You don't see it as a win.
It's not. It's in the magnitude of it. Okay. You can consider it as a win, but technically it's not a win. That's what I'm saying. It's PR to say that I've won, but you've not won. You lost. Just that you didn't lose as much as you would have lost if the court accepted everything else. So for me, that's how I interpret.
Please, you win. Why? Over here we don't lose. We are winners.
Anyway,
so he was it was just a breach of contract that the court ruled on, and then fined Blacko 50,000 Ghana cedis, and as you mentioned, to cover the legal cost, which sums up to 15,000 Ghana cedis. But over here, a win is a win.
We thank you for that win.
So that's it about Black Sheriff, and then that wraps it up